Alright, problem number 34. Which quantity in each pair is larger? So we have 4 pairs. The first one says 10 km, that's a kilometer, or 10 meters. You need to know the prefixes here. The little k is kilo, so kilometers. 10 kilometers or 10 meters. This is a pretty easy problem because the numbers are the same. So if you know which unit is bigger, is a kilometer bigger than a meter? Then if so, this is bigger. Now, sometimes the prefix makes the unit bigger, and other times it makes it smaller. A kilometer is bigger than a meter, but a centimeter is smaller than a meter. So the prefixes are listed in table 1.2. So this is problem 34 here. Let me just write that down. So 34. Make sure you look up table 1.2 in the textbook, and I can probably show you that here. There you go. Table 1.2 looks like that. Okay, so kilo, that means you have 1,000 of them. So that's bigger. And then these prefixes down here, these are smaller. A centa is 0.01 of a meter, so that would be smaller than a meter. So the prefixes up there are bigger, these ones down here are smaller. Okay, so kilo is definitely bigger than a meter. Alright, and there we go. So I just wanted to show you that table real quick. So I'm just going to underline the 10 kilometers is bigger right there. Now looking at B, 10 liters or 10 milliliters. Now looking back at table 1.2, you'll see the milli prefix is smaller. So 10 milliliters is smaller than 10 liters. So again, I'm going to underline the 10 liters. This one is bigger because the milli prefix is smaller. Now going to C, 10 grams or 10, this is micrograms. This is the Greek letter mu. And micro is also smaller. So a microgram is smaller than a gram. So this is the bigger one here. Okay, and then the last one's a little bit tricky because both of them have prefixes here. You got 10 centimeters or 10 millimeters. Now, a centimeter is smaller than a meter, and a millimeter is also smaller than a meter. But which one is more smaller? Okay, it turns out that a millimeter is 1,000th of a meter, and a centimeter is 100th of a meter. So I'll point you back to this table. So okay, as you go down this table, you get to smaller and smaller. So a centimeter is 100th of a meter, a millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. So this is even smaller. The centimeter would be the larger of the two. Okay, so I'll underline the centimeter. Okay, now if you look at problem 33, very similar problem.